When's the last time you changed your furnace filter? I know, out of sight, out of mind. They're easy to forget about, but stick around and I'll explain why you need to make your filters a priority. I'm Eric Goettl, Master HVAC Technician with Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing. With over 15 years in the industry, my advice will hopefully save you time and money. Changing your furnace filter is really important, not just for your HVAC system, but for your household. More on that in a bit. First, let's clarify what filters do. Raise your hand if you think filters clean the air in your home. You're not wrong, air filters do that, but it's not their main job. They primarily keep contaminants away from the many delicate components in your heating and cooling system. If you don't change your furnace filter and let it get clogged up, air won't move through your system properly. Your heating and cooling equipment will have to use more energy to push air along. That's inefficient and can damage your system. On top of that, your living areas won't get the right amount of heating and cooling. You may even notice some hot and cold spots. And with no more surface area and a clogged filter left to trap contaminants, they'll flow all around your house, causing allergy symptoms, respiratory issues, irritations, and dirty surfaces no matter how much you clean. So, how often should you change your furnace filter? It depends on several factors. How many people live in your house? If you have any pets, what kind of filter do you have? It's smart to check your filter monthly to see how it looks. You'll know you need to replace it when it looks like this. The surface is completely covered in contaminant. Remember, a dirty air filter won't cause dirty air ducts. If you're noticing dirty air return, give Goettl a call. We'll come out and check your air quality. Also, if your to-do list is already long enough and you know regularly checking your air filter just isn't going to happen, check out our video about the Smart Sadie program. That may be a good solution for you and your home. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time with more homeowner tips.